Hey all you fine folks, welcome back to my channel. My name is America of America's Abstracts. If you're new here, hey! I use fluid art as a way to cope with my various chronic illnesses. What I like to call paint through the pain. Happy Thursday! I hope you guys are having a good week. Fellow chronic illness warriors, I hope everything is as good as it can be, because I know we have our good days and bad days, more bad days than not, so right there with ya. Just wanted to let everyone know how much I appreciate them for watching my videos, tuning in every week. I do notice, and I appreciate you all. I started doing this to just kind of document how my colors would go, and it has become so much more than that, and I am loving where I'm growing and what I'll grow even more so this year. So today's video, we're going to be continuing my Precious Gem series, and that's going to be Lapis Lazuli. It's a very royal blue with couple different shades blue and gold, and I do feel like I did them justice in both the coasters and the 8x8 wood cradled wood panel that I did. Comment down below, tell me what you think. Also, comment down below, tell me how you're doing, fellow chronic illness warriors. Hope that you aren't having such flare-ups, but if you have had any rain, like where I live, you're probably hurting. So I feel ya. If you like seeing my content and want to see more, I highly suggest you hit that subscribe button, like my videos, and of course hit the bell for notifications so you can get notified as soon as I do a new video. Let's get into painting. Alright guys, I hope you guys enjoyed that video. Let me know if you liked it, what you want to see more, just let me know. Well folks, I hope you have a good rest of your week. I hope you are nice to one another, and fellow chronic illness warriors, paint through the pain. Alright, I'll see you guys on Sunday. Bye!